Investing in eToro as a beginner can be done in a few simple steps. Sign up for an eToro account. Visit the eToro website and create an account by providing the required information. You may need to complete a verification process. Explore the platform. Familiarize yourself with the eToro platform. Take time to understand its features, including the social trading aspect, where you can follow and copy the trades of experienced traders. Deposit funds. Once your account is set up, deposit funds into your eToro account. You can choose from various payment methods, such as credit or debit cards, bank transfers, or e-wallets. Research and select assets. Use the eToro platform to research and choose the assets you want to invest in. eToro offers a wide range of options, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and more. Copy trading. If you're a beginner and not confident in your trading abilities, you can utilize eToro's copy trading feature. This allows you to automatically copy the trades of successful traders on the platform. Execute trades. Once you've decided on the assets you want to invest in, use the eToro platform to execute your trades. You can specify the amount you want to invest and set stop loss and take profit levels to manage your risk. Monitor and manage your portfolio. Regularly monitor the performance of your investments on eToro. Keep an eye on market trends, news, and updates that may affect your portfolio. Consider adjusting your positions or diversifying your investments as needed. Withdraw funds. If you decide to sell your investments or withdraw funds, you can do so through the eToro platform. Follow the instructions provided to initiate the withdrawal process.